Okay, the last point in the Noon Saakin, Noon Tanween rule is the Ikhfaa rule. I'll write that for you. So it's Ikhfaa, ends with a Hamza. Apologies for the writing, I'm doing it by finger here. Now, incidentally, for Idhar, Idgham, and Iqlab, I didn't actually put the Hamza here, which I should have done, okay, because the Alif in and of itself doesn't actually have a speech sound, so it needs a Hamza to actually make the sound, or So that's why you need a Hamza. What does this mean? That means that, you know, the Idhar rule, we use 6 letters. Idgham, we used 6. And Iqlab, we used 1. So that the remaining letters would now be associated with Ikhfa. So what have we got? We've got Ta, we've got Tha, we've got Jim. Ha and Kha were already used for Idhar. So Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal. Ra was already used. So we've got Za. Then we have Sin, Sheen, Sod, Dod. Then we have Ta, Va. The Ain and Ghain we use for Idhar. So we have Fa, Qaf, and Kaf. Okay. The remaining were used for Lam, Mim, Noon, Wa we used for Idgham. Hamza was used for Idhar, and then now we've got Ya, which is used for Idgham. Okay, so what does this mean now? That means that now if any of these letters start after a Noon Sakin, so for argument's sake, if I said Min, we've got the Noon Sakin here. And the next word starts with any of the Ikhfa letters. Okay, so let's just say, for instance, the next word starts with a Jim. That means this noon, which I have, you try and conceal it. So you won't actually say min. Okay, where the tip of the tongue touches the makhrij point, the top of the gums behind the top 2 teeth, min, you won't emphasize that noon. Okay, so I'll give you an example from the Quran here. Okay, this is in Surah Quraysh, where you have the last ayah, which is Alladhi at'amahum min ju'in. Okay, where you have min ju'in, you don't emphasize the min. You won't say min ju'in. Okay, you'll say min ju'in. Okay, min ju'in. What I'm trying to do is kind of conceal the noon on this meme. So it will be min ju'in. Okay, obviously with the continuation for phonetical purposes, you'll say ju'in. Okay, the waw would have a shadda on it. Min ju'in wa amanahum. Okay, that waw is a rule of idgham. Why? Because the ain on the ju'in ends in a tanween, so it will be dropped, and the ain will go straight onto the waw. That's an idgham rule. This ikhfa rule, with the min, you'll conceal it, so it'll be a light noon. Min ju'in. Okay, so you won't emphasize the noon too much. You won't say min ju'in. It'll be min ju'in.